echo, she's holding back tears. He's leaving for another country. Time is running out. Last call echoes through the sky, like it's counting down my heart. Your suitcase standing by your side, like we're already apart. People rushing past us fast, but time is standing still. I memorize your trembling hands, like that alone could heal. You say it's only for a while, it won't change us, you promise. But distance has a way of breaking what feels honest. If love is strong enough, why am I shaking now? If we're meant to last, why does this feel like the end somehow? Before you board that plane tonight, hold me like it's not goodbye. Kiss me like you're scared to lose everything we are inside. Don't let's see you soon become a faded line. If this is just for now, then why does it feel like goodbye? They're calling out your name. If I let you walk away, will you still be mine? Or will this be the moment we wind in our minds? Before you board that plane tonight, turn around one last time. Run back into my arms. Tell me we'll survive. Even oceans in between can erase this heart of mine. Don't let this be Snow falls outside my window tonight. City lights blur like my eyes. Your sweater's still here on my chair, like you're just late, not goodbye. I trace your name across the air, but silence answers me. We were so close to forever, now forever's just a memory. Fate wrote our story in the stars, why did it fade to gray? Tell me why the ones we love are the ones who walk away. We were between almost and forever, between stay and let me go, between holding on together. Coffee cups and midnight talks still echo in my mind. You said love was complicated, I just thought we needed time. You promised me the world with trembling hands in mine, but promises feel fragile when they're left behind. They say some hearts are meant to break so we can learn to grow. But if that's really true, why can't I learn to go? We were betrayed almost and forever, between fire and the rain, between I'll always love you and this unbearable pain. I gave you all my heart, every fragile broken part. If I was yours to keep, why am I losing sleep? If I could rewrite one goodbye, I'd run back through the night, hold you close and say the words I was too afraid to fight. You were my home, my prayer, my unfinished song. How can something feel so wrong and still be so wrong? We were almost forever, almost brave, almost strong enough to stay. Between destiny and fear, you still slipped away. But even if you're boy, my heart still holds your place. In another life, I'll find you again. Between almost and forever, I still choose you. Your sweater still on my chair, smells like smoke and cheap cologne. I pretend you left it there so I don't feel alone. There's coffee stains on my old book from the night we talked till 2. I keep rereading how you looked when I said I love you. We were young, we were scared, we were more than we prepared for. You said love was complicated, I just wanted you. Now I'm learning how to miss without losing all of this. Guess forever sometimes ends before it even begins. to me. City sleeps but I'm awake. 밤이 깊어도 난 잠들지 못해. Your shadow lingers in this room. 아직도 여기 남아있는 너. Your shoes are still beside the door. 마치 금방이라도 돌아올 것처럼. We used to talk until sunrise. 이 밤이 끝나지 않길 바랐어. How did something warm and bright turn into this quiet goodbye? 사랑은 왜 이렇게 조용히 사라질까? And love was written in the stars. 왜 우린 다른 길 위에 서 있을까? If we were meant forever, 왜난 점점 멀어져가? This is the last scene of us. 이게 우리의 마지막 장면이라면 No music, no applause. 눈물만 남아있잖아. I'm smiling through the pain. 괜찮은 척 웃고 있지만 If this is where it ends, 왜 난 아직 널 놓지 못해? Piano motif who's playing